Oops. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. I'm over here right now at the dentist point. Oh my god, did you see the fish? The fish is trying. I mean, the fish. The bird. The birdie, getting the fish. Here comes, here comes. Look. Oh. They're having a all you can eat fish. Speaking of all you can eat fish, right here across there, that's the restaurant last night that we had dinner. It's all you can eat, guys. It's $35, extra $5 if you want shrimp. Which I should have asked more shrimp last night because it's all you can eat, but I only asked one time for shrimp and then I asked the second one for crabs. The chicken bats was very good. It's very nice price because $35. So where can you eat all you can eat with all two sidings? Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is my entertainment every day. Looking all these fish. So look at that. Yes. So going back to the topic from last night. Oh, the shrimp is not a jumbo shrimp. It's just a regular size. The one that you can get from the store. It's I had it steamed. It was so good. And the crabs are not jumbo. It's just the regular whatever. There's big and small. And I had it mixed, female and male. And the crabs is locally, catch from somewhere in here in Maryland, and that's probably why it's cheaper. I had last night. I had French fries and what was that? The one I have corn corn balls or whatever you call. I don't know. I didn't even eat it. I was I was eating all the crabs because I was trying to get 2 dozen, but really, I can't. I mean, if I would have been eating with rice, maybe I would. It's for me. I don't eat a lot of crabs when I don't have rice, because the rice is kind of regulate the, you know, what kind of. Ah, don't you poop on me, bird. You just eat there. There's a big bird. Where is it? Anyway, there's big fish over there. See that jumping around? So, I'm sure gonna miss this place for sure. Hopefully today they will fix up whatever they're trying to do. Oh, come on, birdie. Come over this way. There's a lot of fish right here in front of me. It's kind of raining. We are behind two boats. After two boats, they're gonna take care of us. But we've been staying here for almost 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks, 3 weeks. So Um, because it takes an, another week, almost 3 weeks, yeah, for sure, almost 3 weeks. Um, we got her in the middle of the week, and first they have it looked at, and then they clean. They scrape the bottom and clean the whole thing. So they took all the whatever the barnacles things. So anyway, guys, these plants are hoping. Look, my kangkong. This kangkong is growing, and I think this is some kind of mint. The one that when you're eating soup. And this one is really needs to get planted on the water. This one is alive. This one is dead. Um, this one is from Telma. You know what? This Chinese spinach is having seeds. I regrew it and planted it there. So I guess. And what else? And this one is coming from Dailarin. I cut some of it, and here's the one. It's the one that I have, and I cut it and I replanted it because I only keep one. I give some because the lady said that I could share, so I shared to cut. I mean, this one I could cut it again and replanted it when I get to Florida. Oh, which by the way, we are at the Dennis Point Marina in Drayden, Maryland, whatever. Which you can just search for Dennis Point Marina, Campground Marina. So you can camp here too. They have permanent camping ground, and they have also like seasoning seas. And you can come over here on holidays. I'm not sure. You just have if you are thinking of coming here to do camping. You like to go fishing and crabbing. I'm not sure. You have to search for that or research, and you need to ask if you're allowed because as I see like at the beginning of the dock they have a sign. It says no fishing, no crabbing, no swimming. It's by the way, when we got here on June, not here in this marina, we were at the Point Lookout. Oh my God, they have a lot of what you call that one, jellyfish. It's like you could hardly see the water. I'm still watching and I'm recording. And but there I was crabbing, but here it's not much. It's a whole lot of work, and I'm worried I get yelled at. So over there we asked, but I don't want to ask now because we're not planning to stay longer because this boat is going to the other marina. It's I forgot the name. Some Piney Narrow. Piney Narrow? Point Narrow. Piney Narrow Yacht Heaven Marina. It's where we're gonna put this one, and the broker will take care of it so we can go home. Guys, we've been here in Maryland for ever. It's like since June 18. We got here June 18, and now it's October. We did not plan on staying. A whole lot of stuff that we have to do, changing our plans, changing our prescription refills and stuff, which is it's a good help. You have your prescription at Walmart. I don't know if you're in the other uh, drugstores, they allow that you can transfer your prescription. But if you're using insurance to get your prescription, they don't allow you to get 90 days. But I got mine for 90 days. So I'm good for. Ooh, wow! Did you see that? Oh my god, she dunked. I hope you got a lot. Come on, get some more. Get it. Ooh! I think she don't have a good landing yet. She's still a baby bird. Because I seen lots of birds here. They just glide on the water uh, like what do you call that one? Like on a pontoon airplane. Look. She would like really stay on the water, but the big birds, they just glide and get whatever they want. So she is practicing landing, I guess. Landing. Say, okay, come get your food. This is this is my entertainment. It says a baby yet. I woke up surrounded by water. Um, and it's okay because we got TV. We are waiting for the repair people, or they gotta change the parts. Oh, and wait, by the way, I hope the turtle is gonna show today. It's every day they come up, but maybe they don't today because it's kind of cloudy. Ooh, that's the mom. Mom is telling, where are you? Mom is telling the bird, the baby birds, okay, do it. I wonder if they have a communication also. Do you think? Huh. Anybody know if the birds has their own language, sign language, or like a telepathic thing? Back to my plants. So this one really needs to be in this thing now on the soil. I hope this. Oh yes, this is good. And this one is from Thelma. Look at that. There's like small things. I'm trying to spread. It's only one made it. Uh, yeah. So I'm gonna have seeds for my. And I think. Oops, shoot. Yeah, there has roots already. Oh, let me tell you something. So I tried to crab one day. There was a big crab, and then so I got it right. It was like already late in the afternoon, so I thought maybe I'll just put it in the cooler right there. Anyway, when I woke up in the morning, the cover was out and my crab was gone. It was a big crab, very big crab. So I think it can reach. It can reach the the cover, the one on the put. I put a cloth and pull it out and just climb out from there. So don't think that the crab is not smart. They are smart. Now here comes. You see that? Here comes the ginamos. I'm like hoping that I could I don't want to do it now. Huh? Okay. Somebody's asking for lunch. My honey is asking for lunch. Okay, okay.